Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix when your screen rotation is not working on your OPPO Find X9 Pro. So actually, this is quite easy. At first, turn on your phone and unlock it. Here, now, go to the control panel over here. So swipe from the top right corner to the middle, somewhere here. And now you have to search for the screen auto rotate. As you can see, it's here. Tap it to disable it and enable it back again. If you don't see this icon over here, tap this pen icon and find it somewhere here, as you can see, with this plus, and find it over here. Here, as you can see, you have this list of the icons. And tap done, and as I said, disable and enable the auto rotate. Now this should work. If it doesn't work on your, for example, home screen, go to the different kind of applications, like for example camera, check if it does work here. As you can see here, it does. So the gyroscope does work. Let's test this in Facebook. Here it did work because I've seen this for a moment on the Instagram. I think that the Instagram doesn't work horizontally. So yeah, let's for example test Gmail. It does. So actually, if you do see that gyroscope does work but not in the home screen, and that's how it supposed to do in your version of the Android. But if it doesn't work in pardon me, every single application, what I do recommend is to click the power button and volume up button and hold it to restart. This should reset our sensor, for example, as I said, gyroscope, and yeah. This is a quick fix that is recommended for every single phone. Just restart it. As you can see, it takes some time, but now we can unlock, and now we should be able to use the screen rotation. But now, if you still aren't able to use the gyroscope and screen rotation, you have to go straight to the, wait a moment, to the settings over here, scroll all the way down to the system and update, not here, system and update, tap software update, and update your phone if you do have any pending updates. It's because sometimes companies do release the security patches or the security patch fixes, and this should work for you. Here, as I can see, to have the latest version. If you don't have the latest version, wait for the update, or just leave your phone at the local authorized device support and service. And that's it for this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.